Hi, Imran from Car Sound Security here. Just finished installing a Ghost 2 on this BMW 5 Series M5 2011. Let me show you how it works. Just jump in the vehicle. Keyless. There's the key. Push button start just there. Let me just attempt to start the vehicle now. As you can imagine, it's got the Ghost on there, so press the start button. Vehicle's immobilised, won't start because the Ghost is stopping it. Now, in order to drive this vehicle, you need to press a combination of the factory buttons. We've set up a dummy code, so let me show you how it started. So, dash lights on, right, and I've set it as minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Indicators will flash twice. There we go. Foot on the brake and start the car, and you're good to go. Give us a call if you're interested in getting this done on 0208 554 554. Thanks for watching.